Hello, Flutter learners. In this video, we are going to start learning Flutter Firebase. After learning Flutter Local Hive Database, it's time to start learning cloud-based Google Firebase backend services. Let's get started, Firebase. In this tutorial, we will learn: what is Firebase? Firebase services, Firebase setup, Firebase dependencies, Firebase Initialization, Firebase CRUD, and Firebase sample apps.
What is Flutter Firebase? Firebase is a backend as a service that provides a suite of tools for building web and mobile applications. It offers a range of services for Flutter developer. Firebase services, Authentication. It is a service to securely sign up, sign in, and manage users using email or phone. Firestore. It is a cloud-based NoSQL database to store data and perform CRUD operations in real time. Cloud storage. It is a service to upload, store, and retrieve user files like images, videos, and documents. Push notifications. It is a messaging service to send real-time alerts or updates to users via Firebase Cloud Messaging, FCM. Analytics. It is a tool to track user behavior, app events, and performance metrics for improving user engagement. Firebase setup. To connect Firebase with your Flutter app and to use Firebase services, you need to create Firebase project first. Let's create Firebase project and then visit Firebase services. Firebase dependencies. To use Firebase services in Flutter apps, we need to install related Firebase dependencies, like Firebase Core for Firebase Connection, Firebase Auth for Firebase Authorization, Cloud Firestore for Firestore Database, and Firebase Storage for Firebase Cloud Storage. Flutter Firebase apps. Using Flutter and Firebase, we can develop any online app that needed Firebase backend services, like online login and sign-up app, online portfolio app, online notes app, online quiz app, e-commerce app, or WhatsApp or Twitter clone app.